2011. This was early January and morning around 7 o'clock. Place was Marine Drive. I was preparing for the Mumbai half marathon, which happens around middle of January, and this was one of my longer runs. So I started running from Worli in Mumbai to Marine Drive in South Mumbai. So I had finished the run and tired and exhausted, and then I just turned around. I was slowly walking back. Then as I was doing that, I noticed there was this guy running in the same direction towards me, and he was wearing a jacket and dark sunglasses. And I was thinking, who wears sunglasses while running? Kind of weird. Maybe somebody is looking for some privacy, but I could not place him, but seemed familiar. Then I observed more closely and I saw that the guy next to him, who was running with him, he had a bulge in his jacket. So it was probably a pistol. That's when I guessed, okay, so this guy is probably a cop and he must be a bodyguard. And then I observed more closely and figured that this was Anil Ambani. And when I recognized him, the first thought that struck me was this. This guy is a billionaire, okay? He can buy much more fancy shoes than I can. He can wear nice jackets. He can have these fancy sunglasses. But if he wants to be fit and run, he has to push himself. He has to exert just the same way as I have to do. He cannot hire a person to do that for him. And think about it. If we want to change our lives, whether we want to do regular workout or daily meditation, or maybe just eat healthy, you can be a billionaire, but you have to do it yourself. When we are looking to change our life, the only source of change is inside us. Money cannot buy real change. Interesting, right? Thank you for listening. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.